Take an appropriate amount of red wool and tear it. And adjust it to the size of the head. And poke it a few times to keep it from falling apart. Then wrap it around the penguin's head. Poke it slightly to make it flat, without large needle holes. While poking, and adjust the edges and shapes. When the shape is not full enough, add some shredded wool and continue to poke. Take a small amount of red wool strips on the neck of the penguin and leave a little shredded wool at both ends. Poke the wool strip flat. Poke the edge of the shredded wool to fade the connection marks. Poke a deep middle on the top of the penguin's head, and shallow around. Take a little dark brown wool and tear it. And roll them into small strips, and poke it into a fruit cake. When poking the round strip, you can pinch and rotate the round strip. Be careful not to poke your fingers. Poke the fruit cake, and fix it in the center of the pre-poked depression. Take a little green wool and tear it into pieces. Fold it into a leaf-shaped sheet. Poke the sheet to shape it. Pinch the sheet with your hand and poke the side. Adjust the shape of the sheet. Be careful not to poke your fingers. Poke the leaf pattern slightly. Poke and fix the leaf next to the stem. Take an appropriate amount of red wool and tear it. And poke a circular thin slice. Fix the slice on the side of the penguin's belly. Fix it while, and adjust the shape of the apple. Take a little white wool and tear it into pieces. Poke out a small circle of flesh. Take a little dark brown wool and roll them into thin strips. And poke out the stem of the small apple. Be careful not to poke your fingers. Fix it on the apple in the same way. Roll a small piece of dark brown wool into 2 dots. And poke out the core of the small apple. A little green wool is rubbed into small leaves. Take a little dark brown wool and roll it into a thin strip. Take a little dark brown wool. Roll it into a thin strip. According to the shape of the shoulder strap, pierce and fix the line first. Several key points. Try to poke gently and evenly during the process to avoid the line getting stuck in the wool. Cut off the excess part. Cut off the excess fluff on the little penguin. Put the apple head on the little penguin, and it's done.